Okay, we're going to use a number line to solve this multiplication problem. Ricky bought 7 books at the bookstore. Each book cost $2. How much money did Ricky spend on books? Use a number line to represent and solve this problem. Well, the first step that I want you to figure out is the number of groups. And what in this word problem would represent our groups? I only have 2 different things. I have 7 books and $2. What would be our groups in this problem? Think about it. 7 books are our groups, okay? And the amount in each group, well, each group was worth how much? Each book was worth how much? $2. So you have 7 groups, and you don't even have to put the books if you don't want to. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. You have 7 books, so you have 7 groups, and then every group has $2 in it because every group is worth every book is worth $2. So you're going to use your, you're going to have these little arrows, and you're going to move them, all right? You're going to move them to represent 7 groups and 2 in each group. So for example, this one, that's one group, and it goes 1, 2, and it lands on 2. This is, I'm going to start at 2. This is 2 groups, 1, 2. And then this is 3 groups, and it lands on 6. I need how many groups again? I need 7 groups. 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups. So how much money? This is, one book was $2, 2 books would have been $4, 3 books would have been $6, 4 books would have been $8, 5 books is $10, 6 books is $12, 7 books is $14. So here, this is where you would type your answer, and the answer is how much money did he spend? You would just type $14, okay? That's how you do a problem like this, and then this is what yours looks like. So you're going to move your arrows, you're going to tell me how many groups, how many in each group, and then you're going to write your answer.